Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP610 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP610 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MP610. Scroll down on this page here, and you want to select underneath downloads versus software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you want to select versus my printer. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then run the file once it's done downloading to your system. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out the web browser and then select next with this prompt and then select your region, your country, and then select yes and then next again. And then you can create a desktop shortcut if you choose and select complete. And then you should be good to go. If you're having any further issue, you can open up that shortcut and then diagnose and repair printer if you're still having any issues. But like I said, pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.